Welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since we have any Z content, but this boy picked up some parts, so let us know what you're gonna do.
So I picked up this carpet. I still gotta clean it. Hella dust. You know, this probably take the longest part, but I'm gonna take out the carpet on the inside of the Z because it's all like clapped up, and then replace it with the new stuff.
Alrighty.
And then I got some more parts in the trunk. I found a parts car on OfferUp, and we got a lot of stuff. So, steering wheel, suspension,
Okay.
new
Side mirrors.
side mirror, and then we got a door handle, the interior driver door handle, which I already replaced. This is the old one, and that's about it. So, I'm gonna be installing these over the couple of days, and hopefully the suspension works and makes the Z run in well. And then once I do that, expect to all of you guys to get gapped. I'll show you the carpet right now. It's pretty bad. Look at that, it's torn.
Oh, this is clapped up.
The other side is not too bad, but like kind of just had to replace the whole thing. So we're gonna make this look like a brand new car. Yesterday I cleaned it. It looks much better. It's all dried after steam cleaning it. And then so basically I'm gonna take out the chair, the seats. You do these 4 bolts, and then there's a little bit of wiring underneath. Some of the bolts right there. And take out the center console, and that's about it. Here's a little update. So I got all the wiring disconnected, and I got the seat taken out. It's very dirty underneath, but that's okay because we got the new carpet coming in. Another update, we just took off the shift knob. Luckily we got it easy. It didn't have too much Loctite on it, so we could just hand do it. But I know a lot of Z's have a lot of Loctite on them, so it's kind of hard to take it off. But yeah, we just took that off, and I have to remove this seat still, the passenger seat, and then I have to remove the center console. So I just removed the passenger seat, the shifter, well, not the whole thing, but the boot and the shift knob. And then I'm about to, all I need next is to take out this, and then take out the carpet, and then install the new carpet. I took out the screws right here, and after you do that, it'll just lift up, and then I have to unscrew these right here, and then it'll all come out. Okay, so I got these 2 screws out, and basically it should just lift out like that, and there, it's out. I lift the center console, and look, there's a spoon right there. What is that? There's a legit spoon. Bruh. The previous owner with the free spoon. Bruh. And then there's a hella bugs and dirt, so I'm gonna clean that out too. And yeah, I have to take this part off too now, since there's carpet back there, and that's like the 3rd layer. So that's gonna be a pain to take out right here. But that's about it. And then after, install it and then put everything back together. So since I had all of these pulled out, I'm deciding to clean it. So we got the steamer, the vacuum, and let's clean this. I'm gonna start removing the interior carpet. Right there, you just pull it out. Lift this out, just tuck it in.
This man has the whole interior just taken apart, so this is a deep cleaning. Holy crap. Quarantine vibes.
Yeah, boy, I got nothing but time, so I'm gonna take off all this stuff right here.
He's taking off trim pieces and everything. I think he has all of it undone. So he's taking out the stock carpet because it's filthy.
Yeah, it's just stuck right here. Need to take this out. But besides that, you should be just pull it out. And then I have to do the passenger side. And once I do that, then I have to get the new carpet, put that in, and then put everything back into place.
So how much did this whole process take you? How long?
6 hours. That's because I'm still a noob.
Savagery.
My first time doing interior, so, and I took a lot of breaks too, so, you know, it's not that crazy. But yeah, that's about it.
Oh, there you go. We can see the bare metal, so the
Yeah,
carpet's definitely out.
Clean this. There's lots of dead bugs in here. I got the carpet loose, and then now all we have to do is take it out. So I'm about to do that right now. Some wiring from the old speaker. Some more harnesses. Super dirty. Move that out the way. This thing caused me 6 hours of back pain. And I do not want to deal with this thing longer. So we just fitted the carpet and everything looks good, so now it's just time to put everything back together.